Okay, so we're over here at gotomath.com. Let's click on the algebra, go down to fractions. We're kind of doing a little refresher course on this, or maybe you're learning it for the first time. And I believe we're looking at 10.1. So let's take a look at that. And what is that? Now, I'll tell you what it's not real quick. It's not this. We did some of this earlier, okay, which this is a multiplication problem 5 times 2/9. So it's not that. What this is a mixed number. Can I just write that up here? This is a mixed number, they call. And we're going to rewrite this as more likely an improper fraction. There's actually some terminology I've kind of left out as we've been going along. And that is the, how do we talk about fractions? Well, things have names. And this is a mixed number. And we'll go ahead and use a different color here. So 5 2/9 is, if we want to get this into a fraction, and it'll probably be an improper fraction, and we'll talk about what that is here in just a second. But what this actually is, you can rewrite this as 5 plus 2/9 if we want to get this as an improper fraction. 5 2/9. To get this as a fraction, though, we're going to write this as 5 plus and then 2/9. Okay, which means that we're going to need to get a common denominator, and that's pretty easy because we're going to write 9 over 9 here times, right, and this 5 here can actually be written as 5 over 1. Okay, 5 over 1 plus, and then the 2/9 that we have here. Alright, so we always got to get a common denominator. So now we have 9 times 5 is 45 over 9 plus 2 over 9. Okay, we have a common denominator. That was the idea. We want to add the numerators. And of course, this is pretty easy. This is 45, 46, 47 over 9. Now, an improper fraction is one where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, so this would be an improper fraction. A proper fraction is when the denominator is greater than the numerator. Now, this is something I should have talked about earlier but never did. Okay, proper, denominator is greater than the numerator. Improper, and this is an improper fraction, as you can see. All right, we went from mixed number to improper fraction. Okay, we're going to throw that in there. Anyway, 47 over 9, and hopefully that's it, and it is. You can always put that in here if you want to do that. Click on this box to check it. Remember, that's the calculator, and boy, I've added all kinds of stuff as a calculator just recently. You can always go up to the help, which it's up in the right hand corner of the page, and click on all the different functions I've added to that. Intersections, unions, taking the complements of sets, all kinds of cool stuff. Anyway, so we're over here at gotomath.com. You can come on by, practice your fractions if you want, or calculus. That's something we've been actually working on. But we're going to be adding to the algebra section now that we're catching up on calculus. All right, see you there. Bye.